Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to customize the theme of your Google form. So as you can see, I have my edited Google form and I'm going to choose Change Theme. And you can see over here in the Customize option on the side panel here. So click on the Customize and you can change the header, image, title, and so forth. So I'm going to show you how to add a customized banner. Go to the internet to find your image. I just made a survey for my students to reflect on a unit they just completed on a website that they use called Switch Zoo. So I will go ahead and find an image. You can go ahead and save that image by right-clicking and choosing Save Image As, and then locate a safe place on your computer. I will call it Switch Zoo. I will then go ahead and open up an image editor. In this case, I'm using Photoshop. So with that open, I will choose File, then Open, and locate that image on the desktop so that I can edit that image. I'm going to go ahead and take the crop tool over in the left hand and crop out a lot from the top and the bottom. Once I've done that, I will go ahead and click Enter. I will then choose File, Save for Web, and then I will change it to a JPEG. For quality, I will choose Save. I will call this one Switch Zoo 2. I will then go to my form, and where it says Header, go ahead and click on Header and then choose Image, and then you would choose the Upload option in the menu, and then choose an image to upload, and then go ahead and locate that image that you just edited and select it. Now what you could do is you could choose Fit to Width, so it takes up the entire width. I personally like that better. So I will choose View Live Form so you can see what that looks like. I will then go back to edit this form. I will choose Change Theme again, and with the Customize option, I will go in and start playing around with the title. You can change the font of the title so it's a little more interesting. You can choose more fonts to choose from. So you really want to take some time to make this attractive. So I went ahead and chose Specially Elite as my title. I happen to like that one. If you want to change the size, you would just come over here. It's extra large, and since it is a title, it should be larger than the majority of your fonts. And I will go ahead and go to the description. I happen to like Georgia, so I will change that to Georgia, and I would change the size to make it a little larger. And then for the questions, I will also set that to Georgia. It's one of my favorite, most readable fonts. You don't want to be choosing a font that's difficult to read. I want to be at the question level and change that size to medium. If you do change the color, make sure there's contrast. For example, if you were to choose a color in this area, that would be Form Background. You would choose the Paint Bucket tool. As you can see, I changed the color. You want contrast so it's easy to read. You don't want dark on dark. I might go ahead and keep that purple. I'm a purple fan, or I might change it to green because it's dealing a lot with nature. So that's Form Background. Then I would choose Page Background. Put an image back there if you want, but I'm going to go ahead and use a color. For the page background, you might have to make some selections in order to get the paint bucket, and then I'll go ahead and choose a darker green to surround that to keep a consistent color scheme. So once you're happy with how you've set that up, you could go ahead and go back to editing your questions, or you can view the live form. And this is what you have for your customized Google form. This concludes the session on customizing your Google form. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.